Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from BeenVerified step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out from BeenVerified, first go to their website. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click the Do Not Sell My Personal Information link. To begin the opt-out process, you will need to search for your record. Follow the search instructions, then click Search. Find your personal record from the search results and click Proceed to opt out. In the opt-out request form, enter your email address, complete the security CAPTCHA, and then click Send Verification Email. A notification message will confirm your opt-out request and instruct you to check your inbox for an opt-out verification email from BeenVerified. Check your inbox for the verification email and open it. Click the Verify Opt-out button in the email. Confirmation of your opt-out request will be displayed. BeenVerified will remove your personal information from their website. If you are a resident of California, Colorado, Connecticut, Utah, or Virginia, follow the state-specific step-by-step instructions on how to opt out of BeenVerified provided below. Follow step 1 and 2, then proceed with step 3 on the next slide. Fill the form with needed information. Set the request type to Do Not Sell My Information. Provide your membership ID if you are a registered member of BeenVerified. Type in your first name, middle initials, and last name. Confirmation email, age, street address, city, state, and zip code. Click the Continue button. Find the correct listing profile and click the Proceed to Opt Out button found at the right side of the profile to start the process. In the next page, you have an option to enter additional information to be opted out highlighted in the red box here. Check the certification box, perform CAPTCHA, and click the Remove My Info button. An on-screen confirmation message will appear that your opt-out request has been successfully submitted. Check your inbox for verification email. Click the Verify Opt-out button to complete the opt-out process. Your profile listing has been successfully removed. Congratulations on opting out of BeenVerified. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.